As much as I love salmon fishing, one of my favorite things to do is to head to the river after the season's done. There's just something about the peace and quiet after all the crowds have gone that just makes it really special. This particular river has a hatchery, so there's still a few straggler salmon hanging around. Although there's no human anglers here, the eagles and seagulls are sticking around because there's still a meal to be had. Like all things in nature, competition for those meals can be fierce. Keeping an eagle eye out is the key to staying fed around here. The birds are constantly moving around looking for the next meal. During the season, this hole is filled with anglers. The few salmon that are left may have shown up a little too late to the party, but that doesn't seem to dampen their enthusiasm. They're all about putting on a show. You don't get clear days like this very often, so when they come along, you really do have to take advantage of them. It's a spectacular day. A little brisk, but beautiful. A few of these remaining salmon may try to make it to the hatchery, but most of them are just going to spawn right here. Start a new cycle of life. I've seen a lot of jumping fish and eagles in my day, but this eagle that decided to pay an extra close visit was something I won't soon forget. Staring up at the business end of an eagle makes a guy a little nervous. However, in this case, the eagle decided not to use the weapon of birds everywhere.
Hey, Mr. Eagle, what you doing, man? What you doing?
This was a short little trip, but something about it filled my soul and reminded me of why I keep coming back time after time.